Hello, it's Frank Del Rio, and welcome to Pasada Drive, here in the wonderful city of Whittier. This property is located in the highly desirable Sun Gold Hills community of the Northeast Whittier. The property is one of very few tree-lined street homes in a very highly sought-after neighborhood. We've got 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, an open floor plan with just under 1,600 square feet of ample living space. It sits on an over 9,000 square foot lot with a beautiful pool, a nice outdoor area. It's that perfect entertaining inside and outside home, and it comes fully equipped with all the bells and whistles. The asking price will be at $659. We'd love for you to come and take a look personally. You can call us or email us here, and we look forward to hearing from you. Enjoy the tour.